Hey Posh Pros, just a quick tip for the day. I just wanted to check in with you because I have this beautiful two-piece St. John's sweater set. It looks perfect, but it could be better. And when we're taking pictures, I want you to think about the best it can be, because this is the first impression to the buyer. They can go get this other places. They don't need to come to you. So, and there may be multiple of this on Poshmark. So besides checking those comps and making sure you are comparable or maybe the cheapest on there, right, by even a few dollars, what else can you do? You can steam it. You can make sure it looks perfect in the picture. Good lighting helps. We've got the good lighting coming at us. But what about these wrinkles, huh? Let's take a quick look at this guy. It's wrinkled. It's got a weird string. Let's cut the string. Let's steam this up. I have this steamer. There's cheaper steamers. Just try to get one that's consistently works and works quickly. So you're gonna wanna spend $50 or more to make the steamer work like a functional steamer. Look at that. I can do it right on the mannequin. Take all the shortcuts you can. This isn't a marathon, it's a sprint. We wanna get these things sold and sold quickly, right? So from purchase at the estate sale, all the way to sale, should be a month or two. Now with something like this, to St. John's, it might take a little longer because the higher the price point, the longer it sits. All right, she's looking a little better. She's ready for pictures.